Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing a crypto trading platform app. It is called Nexo. Now this is a great platform that you can use to store, trade, swap, whatever your crypto assets. I personally recommend using this as an online crypto wallet where you hold your assets and then use them to earn interest. So this is more like a long-term bank account, in my opinion. Now we'll get into why that is as we progress with the review. So for now, check it out. This is Nexo. This is your home screen. They've done a lot of updating recently. It's almost like every couple weeks they're putting out some great new updates. When it started out, it was very plain, very basic, and now they're really improving and getting along with the times. So you've got notifications up at the top. It tells you what you can earn, what you can swap, your loyalty tiers. We're going to get into all that as time goes on. Now, one thing I really like is obviously you can see here all my balances are these little circles with dashes. This is called showcase mode, so I can show you everything without compromising any of my data, which is awesome. So cool that they would do that. We're going to stay here on the home screen for a little bit. When you scroll down, this is your dashboard. They just added this recently, within the last month. Markets, you can see all the markets. Now, this isn't every single crypto market. This is only every market that they offer. So you have all of the coins and their current prices. So I really like that. You can see the date there. So depending on the day you're watching this video, the balances, of course, could be different. So this is as of the day of this recording. You can sort these by a number of different ways. I like market cap, but you can sort them however you like. Continuing on, we've got news. Now this is cool. This is a recent addition as well. You can check out all the different headlines within crypto if you want. At the bottom, it has your total value, total in savings, total in credit line. Now, this is a good time to get into savings and credit line. Your savings wallet is exactly what it says. That is a savings account. It's crypto, but it's savings. While your assets are in savings, they pay you interest on whatever dollar amount you have. Now that is huge. They pay a generous interest rate. That is the way to go on this platform. Everything else they offer is really kind of a scam. So we'll get into that a little later. But right now, this is a long-term wallet that you need to put your money in, your crypto in, and get interest. That's the way you can make money with Nexo. The credit line wallet is where you put your assets and then you can take a loan out against them. Now, when your money is in the credit line wallet, not only do you not earn any interest on it, unless it's in the Nexo token, then they'll still pay you interest no matter which wallet it is. But if you have Bitcoin or something, you're not earning any interest if it's in the credit line wallet. Number two, if you decide to take a loan and borrow, even though it says you can borrow at like 0 or whatever your percentage might be, it doesn't work like that. It's not that way. You can borrow 6.9% APR, 0% APR. It's just if it meets a certain number. And when you repay, you can repay using whatever. We'll just hit max, see if anything happens. Okay, so it puts a number in there to pay back whatever an estimated repayment amount is. And then it tells you, this is all hypothetical situations that they've just generated based on really nothing because it's all zeros. But it tells you you'll be charged $42 in additional interest if you repay it out in full today. Why is this? This is because if you pay your loan before 30 days, so like let's say you take a loan on January 1st, if you pay it off on January 15th, you're going to get charged interest as if you had the loan from January 1st to January 31st. So if you wait till after the 31st, then of course you're going to pay all that interest anyway and any additional interest you get. So they really get you on the interest because not only are you paying interest, but then you're also not getting paid interest on any assets you used as collateral. So it's really kind of a double whammy. So basically, don't borrow any money on Nexo. That's the first step going through here. Let's continue on now that we've covered the borrowing part of it and the dashboard here. Let's go to your wallet. So this is a very simple and easy screen. You can see all the assets listed just like in markets, except right here it tells you how much you have of every single asset in both the number of the coin. So if you have 10 Ether, a million Nexo, hopefully, or however many you have of each one. And then it'll also tell you the dollar amount. So if you have 10 Ether and they're worth $4,000 a piece, you'd have $40,000, and it would tell you that here. And you can do that for any coin. So let's click on one, the most popular, Bitcoin. Now you can see it tells you wallet and market. So this is your wallet right here. You are earning up to 8% interest. If you touch that, it tells you what's going on, fixed terms, so you can lock it up like a certificate of deposit. This would be 6%, so they give you a little bonus. Your loyalty level, there are different loyalty levels, so you can, depending on your loyalty level, you earn more interest and you get different perks. That's how you get lower interest rates if you take a loan out, etc. We'll show you that screen later. Basically, you want to be platinum. That just means having at least 10% of your account portfolio in Nexo tokens. The next thing, you can top up, exchange, withdrawal by using those buttons there. Manage Bitcoin wallets. This is how you can transfer between your savings and your credit line wallet. Basically, if you have anything in your credit line wallet, you want to clear out any loans you have and get it over into the savings wallet so you can continue earning interest on that balance. Let's take a look at the plus sign in the middle. Top up, borrow, withdrawal. So you can send it. Topping up is transferring crypto assets in. It's very simple. The Nexo Card, this would be like a debit card if you want to spend your crypto assets or spend the money in your account and earn crypto as rewards. Help me move up the wait list by using my referral code and joining. They will also give you either $10 or $25 in free Bitcoin for joining through a referral. So you can check that out. Side note, even if they do move me up the wait list and I get this card, I will not use it because why would I want to spend my crypto assets? I want to keep those. This is a long-term account, so I want to hold on to that. Let's go on to the exchange. This, you have buy. Now, if you're in the United States, this app is limited. You cannot earn earlier on the screen in wallet you saw on the bottom there was a 2% earn in kind bonus. That's if you want to get a bonus 2%, they'll pay you all your interest in Nexo tokens. In the US, unfortunately, that's not available at this time, so we're also getting ripped off on 2% right there by not being a citizen of their own country, which is kind of whatever. I mean, I guess we could try to move for 2%, but it's not worth it. So you can buy with cash. This part, if you're in the US, doesn't work that well. It's really hard to transfer in regular dollars. So basically, in order to do anything on this account, you need to be using another exchange like Coinbase, putting your money in there, transferring it from Coinbase dollars or from dollars into USD coin or USDC. Coinbase allows you to transfer that for free or make that swap for free. Then you can send USDC into your Nexo account, and they'll charge you like $4 per $1,000 to send it over. So send that into Nexo, and then once it's in Nexo, you can go to swap. You can't sell here. I mean, you could try to sell something into something else. That would work. But swapping, they claim that you can do it for free. So the swap is free, but they do, depending on, they kind of get you on the price. So let's just say right now you're going to swap right here what's on the screen. They have Ether and Bitcoin. So for easy numbers, let's say Ether is 5,000 and Bitcoin is 100,000, or Bitcoin is 50,000. Easy numbers, 5,000, 50,000. Now, if you trade 2 Ether, or let's say you do 10 Ether, okay, into Bitcoin, you're going to go from 10 Ether, 5,000 each, that's 50,000, into 1 Bitcoin. Now, they are going to give you different prices. So when you sell, they will give you the lowest price, the bid price, way down at the bottom. And when you buy, you're going to buy it at the highest price, the ask price. Now, they don't charge you any fees to swap. Whereas like on other exchanges like Coinbase, you have gas fees, or on any other exchange pretty much you have fees. It's just a question of what they are. Nexo does not allow you to set a limit order to guarantee your price. Everything is done at market, and it's their market. So that is how they make their money and how they can pay you interest. So if you swap 10 Ether and they're $5,000 a piece, let's say it ranges though from 4,700 to 5,200. You could put in a mid price of 5,000 on a normal exchange, and that's what you'd get. Well, on Nexo, they're going to give you 4,700 when you sell, and then let's say Bitcoin is ranging from 47,000 to 52,000 with a mid price of 50, and that's what you want it at. Well, they'll make you buy it at 52,000. So then you're selling your Ether at 4,700 and you're buying Bitcoin at 52. So instead of swapping 10 Ether for 1 Bitcoin, you're now swapping 10 Ether for like 0.7 or 0.8 of a Bitcoin, because you're selling on the low end and you're buying on the high end. And even if you reversed this and put Bitcoin at the top, you could type in BTC, put that up here, and Ether down there, it's going to be the reverse. You're going to sell at the bottom and buy at the top every single time. So that's how Nexo makes their money with swap. So don't let this 0.5%, that's 0.5%, don't let that fool you. It's not a good deal. Yes, if you exchange $5,000 or if you exchange $100,000, they'll pay you $500 in cash back, but you have lost so much more money by doing those swaps than you will get in cash back. And the reason you've lost the money is because you're selling on the low end and you're buying on the high end. So that's a big critique of Nexo's swap. Yes, they don't charge you fees, but they do not allow you to set your limit prices. So hopefully someday they will change that and make it a little bit more friendly and a little bit more profitable for everyone. But until then, if you have to swap on here, go ahead, do it and bite the bullet. Accept the fact that you're going to sell on the low end and buy on the high end, and just count that as your fee, even though it's going to be more than somewhere else. But then you didn't have to buy it somewhere else, pay the fee, and then pay the transfer fee as well. So that's why I say Nexo is definitely a long-term wallet. You want to put your money in here. You want to earn interest. How much interest? Well, they pay you an average of 10% if you're a platinum member on stable coins. How much you're earning, it tells you right here. You can see interest rate for platinum loyalty level, 10%. Let's check out the different levels. So they say it starts at base, 1% of your tokens in Nexo. You've got interest rates on loaning. You've got exchange cash back, and then the percentages that you'll earn, and then free withdrawals, governance, etc. So as you move up the loyalty tiers, you can earn more interest on crypto, stable, etc. as you go up the level. So I really recommend joining Nexo. Use the link below. Get your bonus. In addition, put your crypto in here and leave it. So on crypto, you get 5% if you're a platinum member, 10% on stable coins. That's huge in my opinion. I don't know anywhere else where you can put a stable coin in and get 10% returns. It's pretty much like a 10% money market savings account. You could transfer it out of there and put it to cash in your bank account within a week. So it's a great thing. This app is very user friendly, as you can see. I hope that my honesty on the loan and the exchange has helped you out, because it's very convoluted and it was something I uncovered through a big experiment. So you can check that out on my website, spencerkaufman.com. Also, anywhere I've posted blog articles, I wrote an article about it, so check that out as well. It might shed a little bit more light on it. But that doesn't deter me from using Nexo. I really like the app. It's excellent. I really like the platform. It's really good. So get it. Store some crypto there, start earning interest, and this is the place where you put it there and you forget about it, and years later it's worth a lot more money than when you left it. So I hope that you like this video. Do so by clicking the like button. I know it was a little long, but it was very important to go through some of that stuff. It's a good review video. It's a good product. It's a good app. Of course, you can get it for free. And definitely subscribe to the channel for more videos.